Good morning, friends. Today we will continue the remaining part of exercise 2.6, and yet we have completed the examples 1 to 5, and we will continue the example number 6. The example number 6 is Mr. Qasim runs a small business of making earthen pots. Qasim runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on a daily basis. Certain number of pots on a daily basis. Production cost of each pot is 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. We don't know how many pots he makes in one day. That's why we will suppose or let the Qasim makes X earthen pots per day. It is the first condition. And what is the cost? See here, he makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes. Therefore, we will write here the cost of the production cost. The production cost of each pot. Each pot is, see here, what is the condition here? He makes certain number of pots daily basis. Production cost of each is 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes. How many pot he make? He makes X pot 10 times. Therefore here 10X. And how many more? That is 40 more. Therefore he plus here 40. It is the cost of production cost of each pot. Now we will find, see here, find production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. We have to see here, and see here he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, and how we will calculate the number of pot and the production cost. If we multiply it, then we will get the total price or total cost of pots here 600. Therefore, by the given condition, we will write X in bracket 10X plus 40 is equal to 600. It is the equation. Okay. See here, I will continue it at the upward side. See here. I will erase the example and I will continue it at the top of the board. See here, we will multiply X to the bracket. X into 10X, that is 10X square plus 40 into X is equal to 600. Okay. Now 600 comes here, becomes minus 600. Therefore 10X square plus 40X minus 600 is equal to 0. 10 will be common here. See here. Therefore x square plus 4x minus 10 will be common here. only 60 is equal to 0, or we will write here dividing by 10 here. Okay, now we have to find the factors of 60 so as the subtraction must be 4. 60 के फैक्टर्स हमें ऐसे फाइंड करना है, उनका सब्ट्रैक्शन कितना आना चाहिए, 4 आना चाहिए. Therefore x square 10 into 6 that is a 60. 10 गुणिले 6 जर केलं आपण, 10 सक 60 झालं आणि 10 मधून 6 जर वजा केले तर किती आलं, 4 आलं. म्हणून आपण इथं लिहिलं x स्क्वेअर प्लस 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now we will make the group of these two and these two. What will be the common here? X will be common. See here, x in a bracket x plus 10 minus 6 in a bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here two brackets are common here. Take one bracket from these, x plus 10, and another bracket will be x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now taking every bracket is equal to 0. See here, x plus 10 is equal to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0 in this way. Now we will write here x is equal to this plus 10 becomes minus 10, comma x is equal to this minus 6 becomes here plus 6. Okay, and the cost is not minus or a negative. Therefore what we assume here, आपण काय सपोज केलं होतं, Kasam makes x earthen pots per day, that is x is equal to 6 आलं. मग इथं लिहूया आपण Kasam makes 6 earthen pot per day. That is the first answer. And we have to find the production cost of each pot is 10x plus 40. Therefore the production cost, second answer, the production cost of each pot is 10x plus 40 is equal to 10 into the value of x is 6 here, 10 into 6 plus 40. Therefore 10 into 6 is equal to 60 plus 40, and 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 rupees. Therefore we will write the production cost of each pot is 100 rupees. In this way, it is the answer. And we will continue the second example. Okay, the next example, that is example number 7 of exercise 2.6. See here, Pratik travels by about 36 km. Pratik travels by boat 36 km downstream and back in 8 hours. Here let this is a river and it is a downstream and this is upstream. Okay, and here let it is a boat here and let this is a Pratik and he travels how many kilometer? 36 kilometer in downstream and upstream. And how many time it takes? 8 hours. If the speed of the boat in a still water, let this is a still water, stop the pani water, and this is a boat, and here the speed of this boat is 12 km per hour. 12 kilometer per hour. We have to find the speed of the current, water current. We have to find the speed of the water current. We will take here the speed of the water current. Let the speed of the boat, we have given the speed of the boat. We will write here the speed of the boat in still water. In still water is 12 kilometer per hour. And we have to find the speed of the water current. Let the speed of the water current is x kilometer per hour. Okay, here this x must be a less than this, कारण बोटीचा वेग हा शांत पाण्यापेक्षा जास्त असेल. म्हणून आपण इथे लिहूया हियर x is less than 12 kilometer. x is less than 12 kilometer per hour. या पद्धतीनं. ओके, आता हा जो प्रतीक आहे, प्रतीक हा डाउनस्ट्रीम म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने, डाउनस्ट्रीम, आणि अपस्ट्रीम म्हणजे प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने. प्रवाहाच्या दिशेने म्हटल्यानंतर मग काय होत आहे, पाण्याचा वेग आणि बोटीचा वेग हा एकत्र होतोय, म्हणजे तिथं प्लस झालं. आणि अपस्ट्रीम म्हणजे काय होतं, इथं पाण्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने. आता तुम्ही नदीमध्ये पोहताना पण काय होतं, पाण्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने तुम्हाला पाणी काय करतंय, थांबवतोय तुमची स्पीड. आणि इथं सुद्धा तसंच पाण्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने ज्या वेळेला तुम्ही बोट चालवताय त्यावेळेला हा पाणी काय होईल, त्या बोटीचा वेग कमी होईल, म्हणजे तिथं मायनस होईल. डाउनस्ट्रीम म्हटलं तर प्लस करायचं आणि अपस्ट्रीम म्हटलं तर मायनस करायचं. ओके, देअरफॉर द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट डाउनस्ट्रीम, द स्पीड ऑफ बोट डाउनस्ट्रीम is equal to 12 plus x kilometer per hour, and the speed of boat upstream, the speed of boat upstream is equal to 12 minus x kilometer per hour. Okay, here we have got the speed downstream and upstream. Now how many kilometer he travel, 36 kilometer he travel, and how many time it takes, here 8 hours. Therefore speed by distance by speed is equal to time. This is the formula, and by this formula we will write here by the given condition. I will erase this part here. Distance by speed is equal to time. This is the formula, and by this formula we will continue the next part. See here, by the given condition, by the given condition, by the given condition, 36 divided by 12 plus x plus 36 by 12 minus x is equal to 8 hour. This is the equation, and we have to solve it now. Okay, taking the LCM, I will erase it. You have written here LCM is 12 plus x and 12 minus x, and here 36 in a bracket 12 minus x, here this is a plus, and 36 in a bracket 12 plus x. We'll do the cross multiplication here. 36 into 12 minus x, and this 36 into 12 plus x is equal to 8 in this way. Here we will write here 36 into 12, will multiply it here. 36 multiply 12. 12 चा पाडा 6 पर्यंत 12 सकून 72, 40 7, 12 36, 36 आणि 7, 36 आणि 7 इथं लिहिलं 43. 432. Here we write 432 minus 36x plus here 432 plus 36x and divided by here 12 plus x and 12 minus x. For these factors are x plus y and x minus y. Therefore, the square of 12 is 144 minus x square and is equal to 8 in this way. Now we will continue the next part here. पुढे पहा काय होईल आता. इथं हा 36 मायनस आहे आणि हा प्लस 36, तो काय होईल, कॅन्सल होईल आणि या दोघांचं सम होईल. इथं 2 and 2 4, 3 plus 3 6 and 4 plus 4 8 divided by 144 minus x square is equal to 8 here. This part is divided and it becomes here multiply. Therefore 864 is equal to 8 in a bracket 144 minus x square. 8 is multiply here. Therefore 8 becomes here divided by 864 divided by 8 is equal to 144 minus x square. It becomes in this way. Now we will continue here. See here, what will be the answer here? We have to divide by 8. 8 into 8 divided by 8, that is 8 1 8, 8 1 8, 6 ला भाग जात नाही म्हणून 0, 64 झाले आणि 8 8 64 म्हणजे 108 झालं. 108 कसं आलं पहा, 8 1 8, 6 ला भाग जात नाही म्हणून 0 लिहिलं, झाले किती 64, 8 8 64 is equal to 144 minus x square. Now this 108 comes here, it becomes minus here. Therefore 144 minus 108 here minus x square is equal to 0. आता 144 मधून 108 वजा केले म्हणजे 14 मधून 8 वजा केले तर किती झाले 6, हातचा 1 आला, 4 मधून 1 वजा केला 3 आलं, 1 मधून 1 गेलं 0 म्हणजे इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेअर. हा प्लस मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर तिकडे गेल्यानंतर प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर झाला. मग इथे लिहू आपण टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ बोथ साइड, टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ बोथ साइड. Therefore is x is equal to 6 comma x is equal to minus 6. These are the two answers and the speed does not negative, therefore the answer is x is equal to 6. You have to write here speed does not negative or do not negative, is not negative, therefore x is equal to 6 here. And what we assume here, x is equal to, that is the speed of the water current. We will write the answer, the speed of water current is 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per into takes 6 days more to complete a certain work than Neshu. Together they finished the work in 4 days. How many days would each take to complete that work if they work alone? In this way, it is example number 8 here, and we will see here. Pintu takes 6 days more to complete a certain work than Nishu. म्हणजे इथं निशूपेक्षा पिंटूला जास्त दिवस लागतात एखादं काम कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी. मग आपण इथं लिहूया निशू takes X days to complete a certain work. And Pintu takes 6 days more. Therefore, Pintu takes 6 days more. Therefore, it will complete the work in X plus 6 days. It will complete the certain work in a X plus 6 days. Okay, now see here. Then together they finished the work in 4 days. How many days would each take to complete that work if they work alone? If they work alone, then Nishu complete the part of work in 1 day, that is 1 by X. Complete 1 by X part of work. And Pintu complete 1 by X plus 6 part of work in this way. It is a separate work. Okay, now the condition is that together they finish the work in 6 days. We will write here above the part here, together by the given condition. By the given condition, I will write the remaining part here. That is 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 6. Together they complete the work. Okay, therefore we are right here 1 by X Nishu and 1 by X plus 6, that is a Pintu, and they takes how many days here? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Here we got the equation and we have to convert it into the standard form of the quadratic equation. Taking LCM here, X in a bracket X plus 6, and this X plus 6 goes here. X plus 6 plus this X into 1, that is X is equal to 1 by 4. Now X plus X, that is here, becomes 2X. 2X plus 6 divided by X into X, that is X square plus X into 6, that is 6X is equal to 1 by 4. Now we will do the cross multiplication. Then what will be the answer? See here, 4 in a bracket 2X plus 6 is equal to 1 into this, that it becomes same here, X square plus 6X. By multiplying 4 to the bracket here, 4 into 2, that is 8X plus 4 into 6, that is 24 is equal to X square plus 6X. And this here 8X plus and plus 40 goes to this side, then it becomes minus here. Therefore X square plus 6X minus plus 8X becomes here minus 8X plus 24 becomes here minus 24 is equal to 0. Now what will be here? x square plus 6x minus 8x, that is minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation we got here, and we have to find the factors of 24 so as it subtraction must be a 2 here. Therefore 6 and 4 are the factors here. We will write here x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, now making the group of this here, x in bracket x minus 6 plus 4 in bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. Taking every or here common bracket x minus 6 here, therefore x minus 6 is a common bracket, and next x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now taking every bracket is equal to 0 here, x minus 6 is equal to 0, comma x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore here x is equal to 6, comma x is equal to minus 4. Okay, and minus 4 is not a correct answer, and the correct answer is x is equal to 6 here. And the last answer we will write here, Nishu takes 6 days to complete the work. And Pintu takes 6 days more, that is 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 days. Complete the certain work. It is the answer. Okay, now we'll see the next example, that is example number 9. We'll continue the example number 9 here, and the example number 9 is if 460 is divided by a natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the divisor. We have to find the quotient and the divisor. You know the formula, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You know this formula in 9th class. Therefore, we will use this formula, but before this we have to assume the quotient and the divisor. The divisor, see here, the quotient is 6 more, that is, a quotient is greater than the divisor. Therefore, we will see that suppose the divisor be x and the quotient be, what will be the quotient? See here, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Divisor is x and 5 times, that is a 5x, and how many more? 6 more, therefore plus 6 here. It is a quotient here, and we have given the remainder. We will write here the remainder. Remainder is 1, and 460 is divided. Therefore, the dividend is equal to 460. We will write here the dividend. Dividend is 460. We will put these values, that is what we have got here. Dividend is 460, divisor is x, quotient is 5x plus 6, and remainder is 1. Okay, we will put these values in the formula. I will put here You have write the example and I will write here. See here. Dividend is equal to 460. 460 is equal to divisor. What is a divisor? Divisor is x into quotient, that is multiply quotient. Quotient is 5x plus 6 and plus remainder plus 1 is a remainder. In this way we will write here and we will solve it. That is here 460 is equal to, we have to multiply x with the bracket, therefore 5 into x, that is 5x square plus 6 into x, that is 6x plus 1. This plus 1 becomes here minus 1. 460 minus 1 is equal to 5x square plus 6x. Okay, now I will write this part here. You have complete it. Now 460 minus 1, that is 459 is equal to 5x square plus 6x, and this 459 becomes here minus here, therefore 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. Now we have to multiply 5 and 459. We will write here 459 multiply 5. आता या 5 ने याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, कारण हा फर्स्ट पार्ट इंटू हा थर्ड पार्ट यांचं आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन करतो आणि नंतर त्याचे आपण फॅक्टर्स पाडतो. पहा 5 9 45 हातचे 4 आले, 5 5 25 आणि 4 29, पुन्हा हातचे 2 आले, 5 चौक 20 आणि 2 किती 22. या पद्धतीनं गुणाकार त्याचा आला. आता आपण त्याची काय करूया, अवयव पाडूया. 22 95चे अवयव पाडले, फॅक्टर्स आपल्याला शोधायचेत आणि वजाबाकी किती आली पाहिजे, त्यांची 6 आली पाहिजे. ओके, बघा एकक स्थानी 5 आहे म्हणून आपण याला 5 ने भाग दिला. 5 चौक 20 आणि 2 उरले, 5 5 25, पुन्हा 4 उरले, 5 9 45. आता पुन्हा 3 न जाईल, 3 1 3 उरला 1, 3 5 15, पुन्हा 3 3 9, पुन्हा 3 न भाग जाईल, 3 5 15 आणि 3 1 3, पुन्हा 3 न भाग जाईल. बघा 3 1 3 उरले 2 आणि 3 7 21 आणि शेवटी आपण लिहिलं 17 1 17. असे अवयव झाले. आता समजा आपण म्हटलं हा 17 आणि 3 जर गुणाकार केला तर 17 ते 51 झालं. 3 त्रिक 9 आणि गुणिले 5 जर केलं तर 9 5 45 झालं. या पद्धतीने अवयव आपण शोधले. आता 51 मधून जर 45 वजा केले तर किती राहिले, इथं 6 झाले. म्हणजे अवयव तुम्हाला कोणते मिळाले, 51 आणि 45. ओके, आता इथं हे अवयव इथं लिहूया आपण. 5x स्क्वेअर मायनस 45x प्लस 51x मायनस 459 इज इक्वल टू 0. आता 45ला वजाचं चिन्ह का दिलं, कारण वजाबाकी अधिक आहे म्हणून मोठ्या संख्येचं चिन्ह याला दिलं आपण. ठीक आहे. आता इथं कॉमन काढलं. इथं 5x विल बी अ कॉमन हियर अँड व्हॉट विल बी रिमाइन हियर, x मायनस 5 9 45. ओके, आता इथं 51 कॉमन निघतील, मध्ये राहील हा x आणि हा वजा 51 जर 9ला जर गुणलं तर किती येत आहे, 459 आलं म्हणून इथं लिहिलं 9 बरोबर 0. आता 2 ब्रॅकेट कॉमन आलेत पहा. हियर 2 ब्रॅकेट्स आर कॉमन. x मायनस 9 इज अ कॉमन ब्रॅकेट, देअरफॉर वी विल राईट 1 ब्रॅकेट हियर. x minus 9 is a 1 bracket and the next bracket will be 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. Okay, now taking every bracket is equal to 0. Now taking every bracket is equal to 0, the first bracket here is x minus 9 is equal to 0 comma 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. It is the second bracket. Now here x is equal to minus 9 becomes here plus 9 comma 5x is equal to plus 51 becomes here minus 51, and x is equal to minus 51 divided by 5. We got the two answers but minus 51 comma 5 divided by 5 is not a natural number, and we have to find the natural number, which is we have to divide it by 460. Okay, now we will write the answer here. What we have assumed for that, x is equal to 9 is a divisor. Okay, x is equal to 9. Here we will write the divisor is 9 and the quotient is 5x plus 6. It is a quotient, and we will put the value here 9 here, see here, 5 into 9 plus 6, that is equal to 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. The quotient is 51 and the divisor is 9. In this way, it is the example number 9, and we will continue the example number 10 and the last example of that exercise. If you have to write it and complete it, okay, we will continue the last example. We'll see the last example of the exercise 2.6 here, and example number is 10th here. It is activity. See here, in the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. This adjoining figure, this quadrilateral A, B, C and D is a trapezium. It is a type of the quadrilateral. Here AB parallel CD, this AB parallel CD, and its area is 33 centimeters square, cm square. From the information given in the figure, we have the information in the figure, and we have to find the length of all sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Fill in the empty boxes to get the solution. Here is an activity given us, and we have to complete by solving this equation. Okay, now I will erase. You have written the example, and I will erase here, see here, this part. Okay, and we will solve the solution and fill the boxes. Okay, now see here, this quadrilateral is a trapezium and AB parallel CD. Here area of quadrilateral ABCD, the area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel side into height. It is the formula. And what is the height here? AM is a height. I will write here AM. AM is a height. Now here we will substitute the area, that is area of the trapezium is 33 into x plus 2x. Here AB, see here, AB is x and plus CD is 2x plus 1 into AM is x minus 4, x minus 4, in this way. Okay, two boxes we have filled here. And for this now we have to calculate. This 2 is divided and here goes, it becomes here multiply. Therefore it becomes here 66. 66 is equal to, what will be in the bracket? X plus 2x, that is 3x plus 1 in a first bracket, and the second bracket will be x minus 4. Now see here, what will be here? Here will be 66 is equal to 3x plus 1, and in these boxes x minus 4. Now we will calculate, or we will solve these two boxes here, or two bracket here. 3x 66 is equal to multiply 3x into this bracket and 1 into this bracket. Okay, 3x in a bracket x minus 4 plus 1 in a bracket x minus 4. Okay, now we will multiply is equal to 3x into x, that is 3x square, minus 3 into 4, that is 12x, plus 1 into x, that is x, and 1 into minus 4, that is a minus 4. Now here 3x square, this here minus 12x plus x, that is a minus 11x minus 4, and this minus here is equal to, that is a 66, and 66 is plus here, it becomes here minus, therefore is equal to 3x square minus 11x minus 4 and minus 66. Now I will write this part here. Here see here 3x square minus 11x, here minus 11x minus 4 into minus 66, that is minus 70, is equal to 0. Here boys and girls or friends, here we got the two boxes here. See here, in these boxes here 3x square, here we will got the two answers here. Here minus 11x and minus 70, okay, is equal to 0 here. Now it becomes here plus minus minus here, and we have to find the factors of 70, and the subtraction must be a 11, and the I will write here, I will calculate here. See here 70 into 3, that there is a 3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. We got this a quadratic equation, and 70 into 3, that is 210. Okay, 210, and we have to find the factors of 210, and subtraction must be the 11. Okay, 21 into 10 is a factors 21 10 आणि 21 मधून 10 गेले तर 11 राहिले, आणि इथं अवयव आपण इथं लिहिले 3x स्क्वेअर minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0, and making this group here. Okay, see here 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0. Now we will make this group here, and common will be 3x in a bracket x minus 3 7 7 plus 10 in a bracket here x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we will fill this in a bracket. 3x is common, in this bracket will be x minus 7 plus 10 here is common, and here will be x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now friend, x minus 7 is a common bracket here, and the second bracket is 3x plus 10 here is equal to 0. See here 3x plus 10, and the next bracket will be here x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now taking every bracket is equal to 0, 3x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to this plus 10 becomes here minus 10, and 3 multiply 3 becomes here divided by 3, or x is equal to here 7. But the length is never negative, therefore x is not equal to minus 10 by 3, and x is equal to 7 is the answer here. Now we will find the length of AB, CD and AD and BC. AD and BC I will calculate here. We have to fill the boxes by solving the example. Okay, what is the AB here? See, AB is equal to x, here x is equal to 7 here, What is CD? CR. CD is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 and is equal to 2 into x. Value of x is 7 plus 1 is equal to 14 अधिक 1 is equal to 15. इथं लिहिलं 15. Okay. Now AB is equal to AD is equal to BCI and BC is x minus 2 here. X minus 2 here and x is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Here it is a 5. In this way, friend, this is the activity we have completed. Activity पूर्ण झाली आहे आणि 2.6 पण पूर्ण झाला आहे. ओके. आणि पूर्ण ॲक्टिव्हिटी 2.6 ची उदाहरण क्रमांक 1 ते उदाहरण क्रमांक 10 पर्यंत पूर्ण सोडवा आणि तुम्हा सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देतो अभ्यासासाठी. सुरक्षित राहा, घरी थांबा, इकडं तिकडं फिरू नका, मास्क लावा. ओके. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.